Hello everyone! Good morning! At sinipag na naman tayong gumawa ng snack nila para mamaya. Ayan, at nagluto ako ng mini donut. Ginamit ko na naman yung ating mini donut maker. So, ayan nga. At meron tayo dito ang goya. I-melt ko ito using hot water and itatoppings ko sa mini donuts. Tingnan natin kung mag-success ba. Mag-okay ba siya. At andito na nga tayo sa school. So, sobrang saya nila dahil may bago silang playground. Wow! Nagyagaw lang mga bata. Allah!
Anak, sipon sa anak. Madya. Careful lagi. Apps ato agi. Dili mo diretso nila. Oh, careful. Careful. Oh. Lagi. Sadap, sadap. Swing. Madya, wait for Caleb to stand. Wait lagi, nga mo balik si Caleb.
Napakulo si Caleb. Stop sa kuno. Stop sa kuno, stop.
Oops. Ayaw, ari agi, ayaw. Go. Oops. Okay, pwede na mo.
Liam, are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Dili lagi dila, Deo. Baja. Wait.
Wana, 10:30, agta na galas 12.
Kalib, up na Kalib, up na. Boy, up na boy. Okay, oh you wait for. Okay, Madya, di na pinulungan na niya. Yeah, boy. Stand up. Okay.
doing?
I'm getting manga.
Huh?
Mama, it's so juicy, right?
It's so juicy.
Mm-mm.
Where are you going?
I'm getting manga.
Getting mangas?
And then Christmas, and it's so juicy and nummy.
So juicy and lami.
And lucky juicy.
Nagisi.
Mama, you get it.
Mama,
Mama,
because my pajama is too old naman.
too old.
That's why it's gisi.
It's juicy.
Mm.
Why, Mama?
It's gisi. I can't afford to buy a new one.
Mama, why is it?
Come here na. Come here. Where are you going?
Getting mangas.
Getting mangas.
Mama, let's go on the other tree. On the other tree. Mama, why that buffalo is eating? Why
Oh.
that buffalo is eating?
The buffalo is eating. Here, there's a lot of mangoes.
Not a mango?
Here.
Huh? Wow, Mama, put it.
Oh, nay kuan. This one ba?
Wow, so many mangoes. Mama, put it in. Oh, so many mango. Put it in. So many mangoes, right, Mama?
You careful kay makuan mabunog. Put it carefully inside the baldi.
It's not hot anymore.
Is that hot?
Oh, yeah. I put them over here. Oh, this gamay. And this other one.
Look at it.
And they put it.
Here pa here.
Here, Pa. Here, Pa.
Hmm.
Here, Pa. Wow, we're getting so much mangoes. We're getting so much mangoes. Oh, there. We're getting more.
So yun kay wagay kontra yam.
Wow.
What's that?
It's green. It's green.
Here. Still green pa man. You carefully put it inside the kuan.
Wow, we're getting so much mangoes. Wow.
Careful. You put it down lang kay so heavy. You get the mangoes lang and you bilin the balde. There's a lot. Oh, there's a lot pa in babaw o tawa.
Mama, that's Papa. And that's Papa.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Oh, look, sir. Look. So many. Come on, let's go home na.
Mama, why is that our house is far away?
So far, it's just near lang gani. Oh,
Why, Mama?
Dala, let's go na.
Mama.
It's just near. Oh, itong house.